8th class, good morning. Today we are going to revise the notice writing. So when we are writing the notices, first of all we must know the format, and it is given the format you see here. First of all you have to write the name of the institution, then you have to write the notice in capitals, then date, then subheading, and after subheading it is the body of the notice, means what is the content of the notice you have to write, and after content in the last downside you have to write the subscription, means name and designation of the writer. Name and designation of the writer. So in your class the notice number 1 is your found notice. Sandeep, a student of class 7th, has found a purse containing a list of some telephone numbers and some currency notes. He wants to put up a notice to this effect on the notice board. Write the notice for him. Do not use more than 30 words. So see here, what you have to write. First of all the name of the institution, Rishikul Vidyapeeth, then notice, then date. Date is 4th April 21 you can write, and you can write just as we are revising in the month of May, so you can write the May 21. Then you have to write found in capitals. Then found a purse containing a list of telephone numbers and some currency notes. The loser is requested to take it back from the undersigned after satisfying him. Sandeep, class 7th is given, so you can write 7th also or 8th as per your requirement. Now second, you are Sushil Sharma, the captain of your school football 11. Draft a notice about a friendly match to be played between your team and the football 11 DAV Public School, Amritsar. Giving necessary details, do not use more than 30 words. Means Sushil Sharma, the captain of your football 11, will write the notice. So see here, Rishikul Vidyapeeth Sonipat, then notice, then date. Friendly football match. This is the subheading you can say. So all the students from class 6 to 10th are informed that a friendly football match will be played between our school and the DAV Public School Amritsar in Subhash Stadium on Saturday at 9 a.m. All the students are invited to enjoy it. Sushil Sharma, football 11. Now see the third one. See the third notice. You are Rita Maheshwari, student editor of your school magazine Hope. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting contributions for the next issue of the magazine. Contribution means you can give the articles for the magazine. It may be any poem, it may be story, or whatever you want to give for the magazine, you can give. So this you have to notice, for this you have to write. So see, same Rishikul Vidyapeeth Sonipat, notice, date and article for magazine. So all the students from class 2nd to 10th are informed to submit their articles for the school magazine. The name is also given Hope. You want to write, you can write. Till 15th April, the best articles will be given prizes, and the downside it is Rita Maheshwari, student editor. Then see the fourth notice. Talk on moral values. It is the fourth notice you see. Mrs. Sudha Agarwal, MA PhD, Principal of SD College, Nagpur, is an old student of your school. She has kindly agreed to address the students of the school on the topic moral values. So, as a head girl, write the notice giving necessary details. Do not use more than 40 words. So, same you have to write name of the school, then notice, then date, then talk on moral values. This is the subheading. And then content, Mrs. Sudha Agarwal, ME PhD, Principal of SD College, Nagpur, has agreed to address the students on the topic moral values. All are invited in activity hall today at 2. It is PM, not AM. Make it correct. Then the next, it is fifth notice. See, sports meet. You are Chandra Mohan, head boy of your school. Write a notice for the school notice board informing the students about the sports meet to be held shortly. Mention necessary details like date, events, prizes, etc. and do not use more than 40 words. So, Rishikul Vidyapit Sonipat, notice, then date, then sports meet. This is the heading, you can say. So, all the students of class 2nd to 10th are informed that a sports meet will be held on 20th April 21. Events are with the house captains. Interested students can give their name to the house in charges. Selection will be done on 13th April. Winners of the events will be given medals. And downside, Chandra Mohan, head boy. So in this way, you can revise all the notices. This is notice number 6 is also there. 7, 8th and 9. All the notices are there with you. So you do them all in your notebook and revise them. So hope you have got this, understood this. Bye everyone.